Hello, soulmates. Good afternoon, good morning, or good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. All right, so in today's video, I want to show us how we can make use of our charcoal iron. Some persons claim they don't know how to use this, so this video will help you to learn how to use because this iron is very important to all fashion designers, especially for some of us who are having power supply issues, right? You can decide to use this to iron your clothes before you on your gen to now start the proper sewing. So stay tuned, watch the end for you to learn how to use this beautiful iron. I bought this for 6,500 as of yesterday, right? Something we used to buy before at 3,000, 3,500 thereabouts, late 3 to 4 years ago. But because of dollar rise, everything in the market has skyrocketed. All right, so this video we're going to show you how to use this charcoal iron. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, comment, and also tell me where you are watching me from. All right, so let us go down to the main business of the day. Now, when you get your iron, just the one you are seeing here on the screen, now the first thing to know is that it is how you heat it up will make it to be too hot or too cold. So you need to also regulate how you heat up the iron. So once you get the iron, of course, you go and get the charcoal. So I bought the bag. I bought the bag for 7,000 naira. Then after that, you pieces the charcoal in this form and then start adding it to this your iron. Now pieces it, make sure it's in bits. Now this charcoal has two types. They have the one they call the oba, right? Now that is the oba and the non-oba. So the one that is meant for tailors is the non-oba own because it used to catch fire fast. Non-oba is very necessary. Buy the one of that. Then after that, you add any of your either fuel or kerosene. Just add little quantity. Make sure it doesn't spill over. Then you light up your matches or your lighter and then place it in. Now it will start burning just the way you are seeing, right? Now give it like 2 to 3 minutes until the fire goes off. Now the real charcoal will now catch fire. Then you now start fanning it for a while. Now the fanning is to make sure that the fire has its base properly ignited. Then after that, then you bring buckets of water and then go and bring any detergent, be it Ariel, Clean or Omo, right? Then pour it in the bucket of water. The water will not be filled, it will just be quarter of the bucket. Make sure you foam it this way. Now the essence of this Ariel or the detergent or the any detergent you have is to make sure that the water will make the surface of the iron to be slippery. By so doing, it will not be able to burn or stain your clothes. Now I will cool this. You will now bring it in this way, cool it, but make sure that the water does not penetrate inside the main iron. It is only going to touch at the surface of the iron. Now you'll be hearing the cooling effect. Then after which, bring a white fabric, dip it inside the same water, squeeze it, let the fabric be damp, then clean the surface of the iron on the fabric just the way you saw me doing, and then before you now place it on your fabric. By doing this, your fabric surface will not be stained, it cannot burn. Just clean this way, just see the way I'm cleaning it. Make sure you do it intermediately while you iron your fabric. So by doing this, it will make sure it will keeps your fabric safe and also don't stain your fabric. As you can see, I am using white to do this. It makes the fabric to relax and also makes the iron to be slippery on it. Thanks for watching, guys. I do hope you enjoyed the video. Please do give me a thumbs up, comment and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.